In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add data to users with custom user properties in HubSpot Easy 2026 Guide. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in HubSpot to add or update extra information about your users, so you can segment, report, and automate with more precision. First, open your HubSpot account and land on the main home dashboard. If you're already somewhere else in the app, that's fine. Just navigate back to home so we start from a familiar place. This keeps the next steps consistent, no matter what your last task was. Next, look to the top of the screen for the Settings gear icon. Click it to open your account settings. This is where HubSpot centralizes all configuration options, from account setup to data tools, so it's the right doorway for user management. On the left sidebar of the Settings page, find and select Users and Teams. This section controls who has access to your portal and what information you store about them. If you don't see it, you may need additional permissions from an admin, since user settings are typically restricted to protect account security. Now locate the user you want to update and click their name to open their profile. You can scroll, use the search bar, or filter if you have a long list. Opening the user record lets you manage details specific to that individual without affecting others. Inside the user's profile, go to the Preferences tab. This is where HubSpot groups personal and profile-related settings, making it the logical spot for storing contextual information about a user. Look for the Custom User Properties section. Here you'll see fields your organization has created to capture details like department, region, role notes, or other internal attributes. Click into each field you want to update and enter the appropriate values. For drop-downs, choose from the available options. For text or number fields, type carefully to keep data consistent. And for dates, use the picker to avoid formatting issues. A quick tip: agree on standardized naming, like North America instead of mixed variations, so reporting and workflows stay clean. When you're satisfied, click Save. HubSpot will update the user's record immediately, and those values become available for lists, permissions logic, workflow branches, and reporting segments. If you don't see the Save option, double-check for required fields or validation warnings. That's it. You started from home, opened Settings, went to Users and Teams, selected a user, opened Preferences, and filled out the custom user properties before saving. Repeat these steps for any other users you want to enrich. Keep data accurate, avoid storing sensitive personal information, and you'll unlock smarter segmentation and smoother automation across your HubSpot tools.